Well, La-Crosse Mayor Mitch Reynolds did declare October as Domestic Violence Awareness Month. News 8 Now's Emily Haugen is live in studio to explain how community members are raising awareness and why that matters.
Amy, the Reach Center, together with New Horizons and the YWCA, held their first annual Dare to Self-Care event today. But today's event was about more than self-care.
The act of self-care can be preventative.
A lot of times we just get caught up in the day-to-day. Our mental health is so incredibly important to us.
It also can be healing.
And let's focus on survivors while we're bringing attention and letting people understand how important it is to take care of yourself.
For victims and survivors of domestic abuse, self-care is only a part of the process.
It's important to bring awareness to domestic violence so that we can work towards ending the stigma.
Awareness, something New Horizons Executive Director Ann Kapoff feels strongly about.
I don't even think that I saw myself as ever having been a victim of abuse until I applied for my position at New Horizons.
Ann didn't know how to talk about it then.
30-some years ago, people didn't even know what domestic abuse was, or again, they didn't talk about it because people didn't talk about it.
Today, it's okay to talk about it, but Ann says we need more action. According to a new report, in 1 year, Wisconsin's domestic-related death toll rose from 68 to 80.
I think too often the general public thinks that domestic abuse is a private thing, but we all know that abuse happens, right? And out of 3 women, 1 person is going to be affected by domestic abuse at some time in their life, right?
Ann asks that people keep their eyes open for the warning signs.
I think if I have to say something, it's believe people, right? Believe what you see, trust your gut.
And she asks you to step up.
If you or someone you know is in a domestic abuse situation, help is available. You can contact New Horizons hotline at 888-231-0066. Amy?
All right, thanks, Emily. And today's event also offered a space for female and LGBTQ vendors, as well as vendors of color, groups that local experts say are often disproportionately affected by domestic violence.